Hello. My name is Mike Searson. I am with Live Your Life Learning to make your life better. This week, we look at the YouTube channel Like There's No Tomorrow. The channel focuses on traveling in a RV. Most of the videos focuses on how to travel in a RV. Remote careers. The YouTube channel provides some information about remote work. Some videos that focuses on remote work are YouTube title, How to Plan for Full-Time RV Living, the Ultimate 2024 Step-by-Step Guide. YouTube channel, Like There's No Tomorrow. A ultimate guide on a variety of topics on doing travel in a RV. Some topics of interest are about 7 minutes and 2 seconds in the video. You have the section called Jobs on the Road. It gives some ideas about working remotely. About 8 minutes 34 seconds in the video, you have a section called the Internet. It gives some options related to getting access to the Internet. A second YouTube video is called YouTube title, Top Money Making RV Jobs for Full-Time Nomad Life, Not Working Camping or Surveys. YouTube channel, Like There's No Tomorrow. Give some ideas on how to work remotely while traveling, like while traveling in an RV. The video emphasized digital marketing information. Like There's No Tomorrow YouTube channel gives information on traveling. As you travel, you may find your next remote opportunity with the help of the Like There's No Tomorrow YouTube channel. The purpose of the content is to provide insight, research, and opinion, not to provide professional, legal, or tax advice. Please see an individual expert for individual guidance. Thanks for listening. Thank you.